Nama saya Nursyawani binti Zainal Abidin. Nombor meja saya ialah 10 DPM 3F1009. Watak saya ialah interviewer. Okey. Company kami ialah S General Corporation dan kami mempunyai jawatan kekosongan iaitu senior programmer lah. Kami mencari senior programmer. Okey. Kami inginkan pekerja yang bertanggungjawab untuk menulis dan yang dapat mengekalkan kod untuk cipta aplikasi perisian dan sistem yang baru. Kami juga inginkan calon yang mempunyai degree dalam komputer sains atau teknologi maklumat. Skill-skill yang kami inginkan dalam calon tersebut mestilah bijak dalam menyelesaikan masalah-masalah yang rumit, dan calon tersebut mestilah boleh bekerja dalam kumpulan. Selain itu, kami juga inginkan calon yang berpengalaman selama 3 hingga 5 tahun dalam programming ni lah. Gaji yang kami tawarkan ialah RM4,500 hingga RM6,000 sebulan. Itu saja. Terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Nama saya Zulkarnain. Nombor meja saya 10 DPM 23F1049. Saya membawa watak sebagai kandidat 1.
Okay, nama saya Dinesh Analik Balni dan nombor metrik saya 10 DPN 23F1075 dan saya sebagai kandidat 2.
Masuk.
Hai, datang untuk interview.
Okey, boleh masuk ke bilik yang pertama. Ya.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Okay, please give me your resume. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay, Dennis.
Yes.
Please introduce yourself, is it right?
Okay. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Irfan Zulkarnain. I'm 25 years old and I was born at Penang.
Okay, how about you, Dennis?
My name is Dinesh Analik Balni and I'm from Penang. My age is 26.
Okay. Okay. First question. Can you describe your background and experience in programming? MC Irfan?
Yeah, for me, I have a degree in science computer and over 5 years experience as a software development. I have started my career as a junior developer in Intel Corporation, where I work primarily with the Java and Python on web application.
Okay. Thank you for the answer.
Yes.
How about you, Dennis?
I hold a degree in computer science and have worked in programming for about 4 years, and I began an intern at Samsung Electronics Ltd, where I learned the fundamentals of software development using .NET. After that, I joined Microsoft Corporation as a software engineer, focusing on front-end development with Angular.
Thank you for the answer. Okay, second question. How do you update on the latest programming trend and technology using Irfan?
For this question, I'm so proud in a real-time messaging website that I built at Intel Corporation using the Node.js and React. I lead a team to develop features like file sharing and notification. It improved Intel communication result in 40% increase in the user engagement after the launch.
Okay, thank you for the answer. How about you, Dennis?
If you ask me, while working at Microsoft Professional implemented a customer feedback system using Angular and Firebase. This real-time feedback tool result in a 15% improvement in customer satisfaction score shortly after its release.
Thank you for the answer. Third question. How would you optimize a function that finds the latest
suggestion would be to read through the array once, keeping the track on the largest element we've seen so far.
How about you, Dennis?
If you ask me, to find the largest implement in an unsort array, a straightforward approach will be to iterate through the entire array and keep track of the largest implement encountered.
That's all.
That's all.
Next question. Which design tool and software are you most comfortable with? Encik Fai?
Okay, for me, that I'm most comfortable with the Adobe's Creative Suite, especially in Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign for graphic design and layouts. For UI and UX works, I rely heavily on Figma and Sketch for wireframing and prototyping. Additionally, I use InVision for collaboration and design handoff, and I'm very familiar with tools like Adobe XD for interactive design.
Okay, thank you. Next question. How about you, Dennis? Sorry.
As a mid-level pro, I'm more focused on system architecture and scalability. So I primarily use tools like Lucidchart for system and infrastructure design, Figma of review front-end design for deployment consideration, and Jira Hello to manage workflows and coordinate the design and development teams.
Okay. Next question. How do you optimize the performance of a slow running application? Encik Fai?
As a experience in 5 years of programmer, firstly I will start by profiling the application to identify bottlenecks. Based on the findings, I optimize algorithms, reduce complexity, use caging, and or streamline database queries to improve performance. That's all that I do for optimize the performance of slow running application.
Okay, thank you. How about you, Dennis?
It's simple. I identify bottlenecks using profiling tools, optimize the slow parts of the code, and enhance database queries and implement coaching. Finally, I benchmark the results to ensure performance gain.
Okay, thank you for the answer. Okay, last question. How do you ensure good quality when working on a tight deadline? Encik Fai?
The last question is very tough for me, but I would like to answer that I focus on critical part of the application first and ensure that they have well tested and bug free. I prioritize writing modular, clean code so that they're easier to maintain and to fix it later. For especially tight deadlines, I may write a basic unit test and refactor the code after the release when there are more time. That's for me.
Okay, thank you. How about you, Dennis?
Okay, for me, one tight deadlines, I focus on writing clean, modular code and prioritize critical action sections. I ensure core functional is covered by basic unit test and if possible have a quick peer review. After deliver, I revisit the code to refactor and improve as needed.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay. Review